How to motion track in CapCut PC. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open CapCut on your device and go ahead and create a new project by simply importing the video. Once imported, drag the video to the timeline at the bottom and then select the clip. Now, click the motion track option from the right side panel. You can simply scroll down on the right side panel if you do not see the motion track option. Once you see the motion track option, tap on the checkbox for motion track, and with this, a tracking box will appear on the video. Move the tracking box over the object you want to track and start the start tracking option you see there, and with this, motion will be tracked. So, this is how you can motion track in CapCut PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.